Hello, welcome to the Box Magnet. My name is Godswill, and on this channel, we explore the art of trading, uncover lucrative crypto ventures, and master the strategies to seize wealth building opportunities. Whether you're just starting or looking for advanced tips, you are in the right place. I upload regular videos packed with insight and tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for joining, and let's get started. Today, I want to quickly walk us through SpellWallet. So if you've been doing airdrop and you don't like stress, probably the ones you've been doing the stressing and you've been complaining, don't worry, SpellWallet will not stress you. SpellWallet have airdrops that are so easy and they keep to their words. When they tell you after 1 week, the after 1 week is not after 1 month and it's not after 1 year. I'm speaking from experience. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, welcome, let's dive in. Okay, so the very first thing you will see on my screen here is what we call the dragon egg. So this dragon egg lays mana. So you can see the way the mana is coming out. Just look at this place. Look at this place. So you can see the way the mana is coming out. All right, so it's coming out, is adding up to what I already have there. So for you to experience something like this, all you need to do, the very first thing you need to do is look at this place. Okay, so you click on it, double tap, just double tap on it. It's going to open up something like this. So once it opens, see this place. Okay, very important. All right, this auto claim here, look at this auto claim. All right, so make sure you activate it every 24 hours. You come here and activate it. So you can see mine have about 6 hours plus to end. Then I need to be at alert in order for me to activate it. Then look at this other one. This is the boost. So this, you need to do this every 6 hours. You come here, activate it. It will just take a very insignificant amount of mana from your account, which keeps this running. Okay, so after that, right, so after that, look at this. So after that, the next thing you need to do is just go back to home. So from your home, there are other challenges that you can do, but before then, I want to quickly show us around. Okay, so let's look at this place. Okay, so this place is actually your profile. Why here is where you see your magic boxes, and this is where you see your magic wheel. Okay, so let's start from the last one, the magic wheel. So look at this pin. All right, sorry. So this is it. So here you see on the fifth day. All right, so I think, yeah, on the fifth day, you get a magic wheel, but it's supposed to be for like 7 days. But there's a way they do it that you get this magic wheel when you spin it. It's either you're getting mana, or there are other things that you can get from this wheel when you spin it. Okay, so the next place I want to quickly show us is the next one, which is where we get our magic boxes. All right, so you can see here inside this magic box. So I have about 1 hour for me. I have about 1 hour plus for me to open a particular magic box on the ever stake challenge that we did. All right, so we just completed some tasks on the ever stake challenge. So they gave me a magic box, not just me. There's everyone that participated will get this magic box. Then this other one is also incoming in the next 2 days, which is the hamster challenge also, which we did. So I'm going to show you all these things. All right, so this is what you see in your magic box. And the next place I want to quickly show you, I want to show you your profile. So you go back to your profile. Okay, so once you go to your profile, this is your profile. So once you go to your profile, click on it. It's going to show you everything you need to, like all your achievements, the point you've earned, the clan you belongs. All right, so you're going to see them. You even see your referrals, people that you referred, and everything. So now inside this place, okay, so look at this. So if you've referred some people, for instance, you can come here. Look at this. Let me claim this. So I have like 2.3 mana already. So I've claimed it. It has going to add to my previous one. I had 179 earlier here. So you can see right now it's actually 181. So if you have referrals, you can actually be earning more money from that. But I'll show you, I'll talk to us more about that. All right. So from this, your profile, there are a whole lot. You can see everything that you've done, your achievement, and the rest of them. So you can also see the roadmap. Look at this place. So you can see the roadmap. This is it here. So you can see the roadmap. When you click on it, it opens up. So it shows you how far these people have gone. All right, so you can see from Q2 what they've done: mana claiming, the USD airdrop. Then Q3, they gave out premiums. They gave out. They did NFT minting and trading. Now in Q4, which is where we are. So Web3 collaboration, we have a mana exchange tools, and we have the spell DAO and the main airdrop. All right, so this whole thing is happening in this Q4. All right, so stay tuned. Don't make sure you don't miss out on anything here. So the next place I want to quickly show us is called Quest. Okay, so look at this place. This is Quest. So let's go there. So here you click here, it takes you to Quest. So once you click on Quest, it opens up. So you can see this is a quest section. So we have a mission to complete if you haven't completed it. So this is it. Make sure you complete it. So this is for those that participated in Hamster. So just come here, click on this complete mission. You can see here. But before then, look at this place. You need to complete all these things. Follow them, like and retweet, and then join their channels. All right, so you get some manners, like you can see 0.5 mana, 0.5 mana. So this one is a more realistic airdrop to me. It's not like the one you will do when you do one task. Somebody is giving you 100 million of coin or whatever it is, and at the end of the day, it's not realistic. So what they are showing you here is something more realistic. They're giving you 0.5, they're giving you 1, they're giving you 2. At least at the end of the day, you're sure that, oh, this thing they're giving me is not like something that will confuse me. You are sure of what you are getting at the end of the day. So this is just it. So the next thing you need to just quickly click on the complete mission, which is here. All right, so complete mission, it opens up this opportunity for you. So inside this place, for those who did participated in Hamster, so now you can see it shows win up to $10. Like you can see here, you can win up to $10 for participating in this. And this particular thing is just doing some tasks like liking, sharing, and all those things, and that is it. Then the next one you see, the next one, it shows you this is about signing up into a wallet. Just make sure these things that are here, just make sure you do the task. That is, I don't want to waste much time discussing about this task. So the next thing it will show you is this Everstake. So this Everstake, this is the next challenge. I think this one has ended actually. So if you click on it, let me see. Yeah, okay, so this has ended, the mission has ended. So we've completed that one. So that is it. Okay, so from your home, definitely once there is something, you will see it like it is here. You will see it. Okay, so you have opportunity to mint NFT here. So this is the section you can mint your NFT. If you want to mint, just look at this plus sign, click on it. It takes you to where you can add your pictures and then come back and mint. So you can learn to mint, you can now sell, put them up for sale. All right, so and the currency here is mana. That is what they use as currency. Then the next thing I want to quickly show us is called it's actually called clan. All right, so for those of us who have been doing some challenges, clans have its own advantage. So look at this clan. So you can join any clan you want to join. Here, joining clan, I think it's just about $1 or so. That one mana they will charge you to join a clan. So make sure you join a clan. There are lots of benefits that are also attached to clans. All right, so now the next place is the friend section. So I want to quickly talk to us briefly about this. So look at this. So they give out $1,500 bi-weekly to those who are doing the referral challenge. Let me put it that way. So if you are inviting people, let's say the moment you have a minimum of 10 people, you will become part of those who will be sharing 1.5 every 2 weeks. But if you don't like referring, there's no problem. Just stick to collecting your mana, which is here. All right, so that's referral as challenges for those who want to go extra mile. But if not, just remain here, keep collecting your mana. At the end of the day, when they do the TGE, you get what you're supposed to get. All right, so I didn't want this video to be that long. I decided to do it briefly so that I can show us around. So let me quickly show us. Now, I promised I was going to show us the airdrop I got from them. So I got an airdrop already from them. Okay, so here it is. So I was giving bonk. Okay, so look at this. I was giving bonk. Look at the value of the bonk. I was giving $21 right now. So this is what the very first week I joined, like in less than 5 or 6 days, I got this. I was like, wow. Because I joined, I saw the dog challenge and I did it and I got this, and I didn't even complete it. So I was just wondering, if I had completed it, how much more would I have gotten? All right, so just take this SpellWallet very, very serious. If you have any challenge or you have anything, you can always ask question in the comment section. I would attend to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.